Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Channel, the place where you can improve your English in a simple, relaxed, and natural way.
If you sometimes understand what someone says in English, but then freeze because you don't know how to respond, this episode is especially for you.
Today, we're not focusing on starting conversations.
And not even keeping them going.
Today, we're talking about something in between.
The moment when someone finishes speaking and it's your turn.
Because many English learners know vocabulary.
But real conversations move fast.
And natural responses don't come from memorizing long sentences.
They come from simple patterns.
I'm Maya.
And I'm Daniel.
And today, we'll practice how to respond naturally in English conversations without stress and without overthinking.
So take a deep breath.
Relax your shoulders.
And let's begin.
Daniel, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Have you ever understood someone perfectly but still didn't know what to say next?
All the time. My brain understands, but my mouth stops working.
That happens because learners believe responses must be smart or impressive.
But real conversations don't always say impressive things.
Exactly. Most responses are actually very small.
So conversation isn't about big sentences.
No, it's about connection.
That already makes me feel less pressure.
Good, because today we'll learn a simple system. Here's the idea. Natural responses usually have three parts: reaction, emotion or opinion, and small continuation.
That sounds familiar but clearer.
Let's try an example. Someone says, I got a new job. Step 1, reaction. Oh, wow. Step 2, emotion. That's amazing. Step 3, continue. What will you be doing?
That feels smooth, not forced.
Because it follows how humans naturally communicate. Your first response should almost always be a reaction. Repeat after me. Oh, really?
Oh, really?
That's great.
That's great.
No way.
No way.
That sounds nice.
That sounds nice.
These short phrases give you time to think.
So reactions are like conversation bridges.
Exactly. After reacting, add a feeling or opinion. For example, I'm excited for you. That must be difficult. That sounds fun.
So we show empathy.
Yes, conversations are emotional exchanges, not grammar tests.
That changes how I see speaking English.
Good communication is emotional before it is grammatical. Let's practice. I'll start. I finally finished my exams.
Oh, wow, that's great. You must feel relieved. What are you going to do now?
Perfect response. You reacted, showed emotion, and continued.
It actually feels easy when broken down.
Because natural speech follows patterns. Now, let's talk about serious conversations. If someone says, I had a really stressful day, avoid silence. Try, I'm sorry to hear that. That sounds tough. What happened?
So kindness keeps conversation alive.
Yes, silence can feel cold, but empathy builds connection. Here's another powerful trick. Echoing. Repeat a key word from the speaker. Example, I'm moving to Canada. You respond, Canada? That's exciting.
So repeating shows attention.
Exactly. It proves you're listening.
And it gives thinking time again.
You're learning fast. Let's imagine we just met at a cafe. Hi, Daniel. How's your week been?
Pretty busy. I started a new fitness routine.
Oh, really? That sounds healthy. What made you start?
I wanted more energy.
That makes sense. What kind of workouts do you do?
Mostly running.
Running. I admire that. How often do you go?
3 times a week.
See how responses keep the rhythm?
Yes, every answer becomes a new step.
Sometimes you need a moment. Use thinking phrases. That's a good question. Let me think. Interesting.
So pauses can sound natural instead of awkward.
Exactly. Native speakers do this constantly. One-word answers stop conversations. Instead of yes, say, yes, I really enjoyed it. Instead of no, say, not really, I was too busy.
Just adding a little more keeps things alive.
Yes, one extra sentence changes everything. After responding, share something small about yourself. Example, I watched that movie too. I loved the ending.
So conversation becomes balanced.
Exactly. Not interview, exchange. Let's try a longer conversation. Hi, are you enjoying the event?
Yes, it's really interesting. I've met many new people.
That's great. What's been your favorite part so far?
Talking with different learners.
I agree. It feels welcoming. How long have you been studying English?
About 2 years.
2 years is impressive. What helped you improve the most?
Listening to podcasts.
That's a great habit. Do you listen every day?
Almost every day.
See? Natural responses create flow.
And nothing sounded complicated.
Eventually, conversations end. You can respond politely. That was nice talking with you. I enjoyed this conversation. Let's talk again soon.
Ending well is part of communication too.
Yes, confidence includes beginnings, middles, and endings. If you remember one thing today, remember this formula. React, feel, continue.
3 simple steps.
You don't need perfect English to respond naturally.
You just need curiosity and kindness.
This week, try adding just one extra response in every conversation.
Small progress builds real confidence.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and be patient with yourself.
Thank you for listening to the English Learning Channel.
We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.